Welcome back to Munroe's Corner. Today we got Diana Ankudinova, Blizzard, all right? We on the road to 5K, man. 5K by May, man. Less than a week away. Let's get that, man. I know we can do it. We almost there. We almost there. Come on, man. Smash that like, hit subscribe, man. Turn the notifications on. You know I'm dropping every day, so come through. Come through. Come through. You know what I'm saying? Join the Corner Squad. Let's get it, all right? Let's jump right into it.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишина.
He said, that's all I need to hear. That's it. That's all I need to hear. That's all I need to hear.
Сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустой. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Yes. 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 Another day we get blessed with more Diana. That was Blizzard. She completely annihilated that. You know what I'm saying? Anything she sings, she makes it her own because her voice is so unique. You know what I'm saying? And I will thoroughly enjoy listening to her sing anything. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. She could sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and that would be the most amazing Old MacDonald Had a Farm I would have ever heard. Old MacDonald had a farm. Yeah. Ooh, I just thought about it. When she hit them E-I-E-I-O's and she yodeled with the E-I-E-I-O. Oh my, now I want to hear it. Now I want to hear her do Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Just so I could get those yodels on the E-I-E-I-O. She would tear that up. All right. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. And look, man, please, man, I'm on a goal, man. I'm on a mission. Let's get to 5K by May. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I bet if everybody that watches this subscribes, I'll be over there. I'll be well over it. You feel me? I'll be well over it. I know y'all got me though. Corner Squad, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and sub. All right? Peace out. Love y'all. Yeah.